Intermountain Blending and Filling, or IBF, is an excellent contract manufacturer located in beautiful Meridian, Idaho, near Boise. IBF specializes in formulating and filling personal care and home care consumer packaged goods. Since 2016, IBF has provided brand owners with fully turnkey operations, and we invite you to discuss your needs with us. The highly skilled and caring IBF team will put our best efforts into achieving your success. When you partner with IBF, you will work with a friendly and knowledgeable team who has your best interests at heart. We operate 2 shifts Monday through Friday. Our 208,000 square foot facility is designed for cleanliness and efficiency, with compounding and filling equipment to meet your needs. IBF systems and standard operating procedures ensure that finished goods meet the exact specifications of you and your customers. From the time that raw materials and components are received and throughout storage, compounding, and filling, the quality team tests and controls ingredients and packaging. Trained microbiologists and chemists sample and test raw materials, process water, components, labels, bulk intermediate products, and finished products. The quality team performs the final review of products and batch records. In accordance with industry current Good Manufacturing Practices, or CGMPs, only quality may release finished goods. The quality team conducts routine internal audits to GMP standards. To create your products, you may provide IBF with an existing formula, or you may work with our research and development laboratory formulation chemists to develop your product. Our research and development team manages an ICH stability program, including antimicrobial effectiveness testing, to ensure the robustness of the preservative system. Excellent products begin with high-quality ingredients. For many finished goods, the first ingredient is water. IBF operates one of the best water treatment systems available. We start with our excellent municipal water, which we soften, filter by reverse osmosis, and further purified using UV light, microbial filters, and electronic demineralization. We routinely test the water for micro, conductivity, and total organic carbon levels to ensure its purity. This ensures that each batch of your product is made with consistency to established standards. Skilled compounders follow detailed recipes and batch cards to pre-weigh and mix the chemicals to provide bulk product that meets your specifications with each batch. IBF liquids compounding kettles and mixers and batch instructions are designed to standardize all aspects of the process. Load cells confirm weights of the raw ingredients and water at the time of addition. Sweep, scrapes, and counter-rotating mixer blades create smooth, uniform bulk. Paddle blenders with optional vacuum capabilities are used for powders compounding. IBF can manufacture bath salts, laundry products, and other dry goods. Throughout the process, samples of bulk product are provided to the quality team to test for all key attributes and microbiological purity. IBF has various filling lines to address your needs, whether you want your product in bottles, tubes, jars, bags, vials, sample paquettes, or other components in assorted sizes and materials. Automated filling lines are designed to fill bottles and jars efficiently and economically. The mode of filling and line speed is paired with your product and its attributes and viscosity. The tube fillers are supported by custom-made tube labelers. As part of our turnkey offering, IBF can take your label artwork and source labels from our print partners. All production is batch managed and traceable. Quality and manufacturing checks are performed throughout each filling run. If you are shipping direct to the consumer, we recommend using an induction-sealed cap to minimize the risk of leakage in transit. Thank you for considering Intermountain Blending and Filling for your contract manufacturing needs. We are ready to discuss your vision and would like to be your trusted partner to help grow your business and brand.